This your main man, Keep It Clean Ray, coming back with another vid. 2 boxes. See what we got. What we got. I know what we got. Show y'all what's going on. Hit. Excuse me. I hit on some Yeezy Slides. Too bad they ain't my size, but it was a gift. So I hit on. They done re-release these things so many times. So yeah, little resin, cool little dope slides. I kind of like these. I always wanted that bone colorway. I'm gonna try to put in for that one, but I really want the blue ones whenever they drop. But yeah, it's size 7, so you know it ain't your boy size. So yeah, little gift action. Let's put them to the side. Let's go and get into what we came for. Y'all know what these sides look like. Got this big old box. These are some shoes I've been trying to get my hands back on. I actually had a pair, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I got rid of that pair for some years. Like I wore them, but they was always kind of too tight. It was a size 12. And I was like, man, I need these like a 12 and a half or 13. They'll be perfect. So you fast forward some years, I got them at a 13 now. And they come with a better shoebox too. There you go. Shaq Diesel, Shaquille O'Neal. Shaq is the reason why I even got into basketball, man. Like I used to have a Shaq toy and all that stuff growing up. That was my main guy. And I think for me, these are the best Shaq sneakers, period. These are the best Reebok sneakers, period, in my opinion. That's just me being humble. The second best Reeboks are those Iris in question, the blue toe. But pull both of them out. Shoebox cool. My old school Shaq. Remember Shaq used to have some cool little commercials back in the day. Had a commercial with all the legendary centers. Will, Bill Russell, Kareem, Bill Walton. Yeah, that was a dope commercial. If y'all ever get a chance, go try to find it on YouTube. Yeah, this is size 13. I don't know if they're gonna be too big, but I'd rather them be too big and tight. But yeah, cool little shoebox though. Black. Yeah. Shaq, Man of Steel, right? Man of Steel colors. But yeah, put that down. Now, I bought these shoes back in 2016. Now, we'll say they had a Shaq tag on it. A little Shaq hang tag. This one don't. And I want to say this was like suede. And this feels more like some type of leather on the 2016 version. I wish I had the 2016 version so I can compare and contrast, but I ended up selling them because I was just like, I'm gonna sell them, I'm gonna give them back. They'll bring them back out. And they brought them back out. And I'm glad. So yeah, got them Shaqs on deck. Got the Reebok pump. And he might be one of the first shoes that had the pump. But yeah, he had the Reebok pump. These, the D Brown, Dominique Wilbur, they all had that pump on it. Cooler technology back then. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Do you want me to shoot it? No. Do you want me to pass it? No. Do you want me to slam? Yeah. But yeah, man, Shaq, man. I used to always like, man, I want to just dunk like Shaq. I want to just break goals. I ain't never broke no goal though. But I think I used to get up on that rim a little. I still get up on that rim, but not quite like I used to. But yeah, these gonna be a little cooler find. It's crazy because on my Instagram, I did like my top 10 sneakers. This was in it in my collection. And so guess what? If I ever do that video again, they're going back in it. This time they're keepers because I finally got my size. Let's see what's going on. I always like that blue, man. I'm just so whew. Reebok, all men count on you, but none too much. Shaq. But yeah, it's been another vid from your main man, Keep It Clean Ray. St. Jazz Nikes and Yeezys, man. I watched with the Reeboks too, man. Really only two B's in the question. The blue toe. This colorway and the blue toe. So I might be done with Reebok shorty. Peace. Yeah, man, these things feel super dope, man. Super cool on feet. Y'all see them static Yeezys. But yeah, I'm definitely digging these. 30th anniversary, huh? Oh yeah. Got the Reebok Shaq Attaq. Ooh. I shouldn't see that polo sign though. But anyway, yeah. These are cool, man. These are cool. Yeah. I'll be honest with y'all, man. I'm just gonna wear these. Just like I wear my pennies. Ooh, got the Shaq and Penny action going on. Both of them Orlando home colorways. Yeah, buddy. I used to be a huge Orlando Magic fan because I was a Shaq fan, so you know what I'm saying? When you're a fan of a player, you're a fan of the team. So Shaq and Penny, those are my guys. So, you know. I wish they could have won a championship together. That would have been super dope. But enough of this video. See y'all next time.